Welcome to the channel. This channel reviews all brands. Let's take a look at today's car. The Polestar 4 2024 is an innovative electric SUV coupe that blends sporty performance, premium design, and modern EV tech. Positioned between the Polestar 2 and 3, this model features a bold aerodynamic shape inspired by the Precept concept and even eliminates the traditional rear window, replacing it with a rear-view camera and display for a panoramic glass roof and enhanced interior space. Polestar offers two main powertrain options. A single-motor rear-wheel drive variant producing around 268 to 272 horsepower with a targeted EPA range of roughly 300 miles (482 kilometers) on a large 100 kilowatt-hour battery, and a dual-motor all-wheel drive version with up to 400 kilowatts/544 horsepower, 686 Newton-meters torque, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in about 3.7 to 3.8 seconds. The SUV coupe's interior focuses on comfort and tech, featuring Google built-in infotainment, sustainable materials, ambient lighting, electric seat adjustments and advanced driver assistance systems. Charging supports up to 200 kilowatts DC fast charging, and vehicle-to-load capability lets the Polestar 4 power external devices. Pricing in markets like the US begins around $54,900 for base trims, rising for premium and AWD versions.